Hello, Curiosity Crew. I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Corey.
Welcome to Project Wise After Hours. In today's activity, we are going to be making our own lava lamp out of oil and water. Now, who's ready to wise up?
This activity relates to the field of chemistry. Chemists might develop things like new types of plastic, even new foods and medicines. At Clemson, chemistry is a part of the College of Science, and those students are based in Hunter Laboratories.
So to get started, let's review our list of materials. We'll need an empty plastic bottle, water, oil, and food coloring. Optional materials include a plate, glitter, and Alka-Seltzer.
Alright, Curiosity Crew, the first thing we're going to do is start with all of our materials on our clean workspace to kind of catch any spills that we may have. And then we're going to do our first step. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our bottle and we're going to fill it 3/4 of the way full with this vegetable oil. So notice that your bottle might be a different size than ours. It's okay. We want to do a huge one so we can supersize a little bit for you guys. But any size bottle is fine. Just make sure you're filling it 3/4 of the way and be careful because this can spill. Alright, crew, that's about 3/4 of the way full, give or take, and it doesn't have to be perfect, okay?
And next what we're going to do is we're going to fill our bottle up with water until there's just a little bit of space left at the top.
Alright, perfect. Again, notice we got just a little bit of space going on here at the top. So density involves mass and volume. So a substance that's heavier and takes up less space will be more dense, and a substance that's light and takes up more space will be less dense.
So because oil and water have different densities, they will automatically start to separate themselves, and the denser liquid will sink to the bottom. By looking at your bottle, can you tell which liquid is more dense?
Water, that's right. This water is more dense than the oil, so that's why it sinks down to the bottom.
Alright, now for the fun part. So you're going to add 1 to 2 drops of food coloring to your bottle of oil and water. And today we've chosen some red and some blue just to make it look some purple. And of course, if you want to add a little extra sparkle, you can add a pinch of glitter as well. But the important thing is that you do all this very carefully. Add some drops of food coloring. Alrighty. Now, Corey, would you like to show them the next step?
Alright, so we're going to twist this lid on nice and tight, and then once you're sure that it's on tight all the way, you can give your lava lamp a little bit of a shake to get it started. Ooh, there it goes, okay. So if you kind of roll it around like this, that might help get it moving. Okay, so again, just keep that working. Another really cool thing you can do is if you want your lava lamp to have a little extra bubble, you can put an Alka-Seltzer tablet in. And then you can close the lid again and shake it up. And then from there, that's going to help your lava lamp kind of bubble on its own every time you.
As you can see, the Alka-Seltzer is causing some bubbles to rise, and that's having the lava lamp move on its own. Alright, so if you ever want to test the density of an object as well, you can drop it gently in a glass of water. And if it floats, it's less dense than water, but if it sinks, it's more dense than water. So as you can see, our Alka-Seltzer tablet is more dense than water because it sinks to the bottom.
Oh, look at it go! We're so glad you could join us for this episode of Project Wise After Hours. We'll see you next time. Until then, keep exploring!